Now under the slit lamp you can see these sutures. These are 10-0 nylon sutures on the medial canthus. With those I anchored the amniotic membrane. You can see here as well. These are the 10-0 sutures. So I will remove those sutures because they have done the purpose. Now semblefrance will not be formed. The globe is separated from the medial canthus. The medial canthus upper and lower lid were adjoined, and it was also successfully the anatomy is restored. This patient had a trauma to the eyelids, and that resulted in defective eyelid repair, resulting in medial ectropion. So after 2 surgeries we have approximately restored the eyelid positions, but still there was a raw area and there were adhesions of the globe to the eyelids, resulting in semblefrance. So for that, what we have done last time, I removed the semblefrance, performed semblepharectomy, and then I implanted amniotic membrane. Now you can see the 10-0 sutures here at the medial canthus. Now it's 3 weeks post-op, and amniotic membrane has got the tendency that it heals the conjunctival surfaces. It is anti-adhesive, and now even though amniotic membrane is almost absorbed, but now no semblefrance will be formed. So the aim of this video is to tell you yet another implication of or advantage of or use of amniotic membrane in ophthalmology, that whenever there are adhesions, semblefrance, you remove those semblefrance, raw area is formed, and again, in order to avoid semblefrance formations, you apply amniotic membrane, and that helps reduce the inflammation. It is anti-inflammatory, anti-adhesive, anti-scarring, and normal healing take place. So still a patient complains of watering, but the position is far much improved, because due to defective medial canthus repair, I was not able to open. So what I did, I gave a cut at the medial canthus and removes all the adhesions, semblefrance, that not only enabled the patient to open the eye fully but also restored the globe movements. And then after AMG, now hopefully the adhesions will not form. Now he is able to open the eyes. So all these happened because of the defective eyelid repair. So eyelid repair is a very tricky procedure and it shouldn't be taken lightly. Otherwise you have to undergo multiple corrective procedures to restore the normal anatomy and physiology. आंखें बंद करो, खोलो.